did it. I said to myself that last drop attempt was my last attempt. Or the last time I got to the drop I was going to call it. Because I've gotten probably as unlucky as you can get with that level. Yeah, let's check. Probably like 28 or something deaths at the drop. Oh my god, man, I actually can't believe it. I was convinced I was gonna die at that final bit, especially the 98% transition. New harness. Bro, I'm in shock. It's 1 AM. Oh my god. Yes! Yes! GG's.